Do you feel that suffocating rage after an argument with your partner? You blame them for everything, and one thought hammers in your head: how can she be so selfish, unreasonable, insensitive? What if this argument isn't about them or even about you? What if it's about something in between? What if your shadow has just taken the wheel and is making you fight your own reflection? Today, I'll show you a 3-step exercise that will turn your next argument into your most valuable lesson about yourself. Jung discovered that what we don't accept in ourselves, our shadow, we tend to project onto others. We see it in them. That's why their flaws irritate us so much. You're not angry about his mess. You're angry because he reveals your own repressed mess, maybe not physical, but emotional. You're not enraged by her criticism. You're enraged because she's playing the role of your own inner critic whom you hate so much. An argument is the moment when two shadows meet in the ring. Now let's learn how to disarm them. Once the emotions have subsided, go to another room, take a piece of paper, draw a line down the middle. On the left side, write down the 3 heaviest accusations you had against your partner. Be brutally honest. For example, he is so selfish. She never listens to me. He only thinks about himself. This is not a letter to them. This is your list of projections. This is the voice of your shadow. Now, on the right side of the paper, translate each accusation into the language of your inner world. Ask yourself, where do I manifest this same trait, even in the smallest, most hidden way? He is selfish. I am selfish when I prioritize my comfort over his feelings. She doesn't listen to me. I don't listen to her when I'm already convinced I'm right. This isn't about blame. This is about reclaiming your projection, about acknowledging, this trait that infuriates me so much also exists within me. Final step, look at the right column. Ask yourself, what is one small, specific thing I can do to address this own trait of mine? Not, I will apologize to my partner. This is about you. Yes, tonight I will spend 15 minutes in silence thinking about why I need to be right all the time. Or, I will admit to myself that I was tired and acted selfishly, and I will try to understand that. This micro action is directed inwards. This is the real work with your shadow. I was arguing with my wife. My accusation was, she is so controlling. Everything has to be her way. When I asked myself the question from step 2, it hit me. I am controlling when I demand that our conversation follows my script, and when I don't accept her emotions because they disrupt my plan. Micro action. I promised myself that next time, before opening my mouth, I would take one deep breath and let her finish her sentence without my internal commentary. The effect, the next argument, lasted 2 minutes. Instead of fighting her control, I was fighting my own need for control. It changed everything. To summarize the protocol: 1, write down the accusations. 2, translate them into your inner world. 3, perform one micro action directed inward. This is not a tool for winning arguments. It's a tool for ending the war that is raging within you. Your mission: use this protocol after your next, even small, disagreement. Then come back here and write "shadow in action" in the comments. I want to know what you discovered. Remember, the more his or her flaw annoys you, the closer you are to discovering a key part of yourself.